dignity, and grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if need to. Links for things down in the link spot. Notification bell that goes reason. Thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. It is February 16th. 22 degrees out. Don't know what the wind is. About four or 5 inches of snow. It's 62 degrees in here. Heater's working. Alright, I haven't been out here since December. First week of December. Now where the hell was I? Oh yeah. The roof does have overhangs. Second story. First floor. Nesting area. Mouse hole. Steps. Mouse hole. Steps. What I plan to do is put a dormer on this. First, I need to hold that panel on. What I'm going to use is Gorilla double back. It says it'll hold up to 1 square inch of it will hold 15 pounds. Hold that roof panel on there. Make my mark on the 3rd floor. Put my mouse hole in it, the 3-inch mouse hole in that. Then for the dormer, this piece will also be a triangle. What I want to do is cut a channel in the dormer pieces so that locks in. That is my plan. Then slap the door on it, paint it, and we're done. And then the hard part, selling it. Now that doghouse I did back in June, it's been on Craigslist 5 times. It's still on Craigslist. Every 21 days I refresh the ad. It won't go. I've been ghosted 5 times. 5 people have said they want it. Nobody shows up. That's the hardest part. I can't make people buy it. I can't make people buy it. That's the only problem. Gonna have to find me a flea market or something. I don't know. I've got a business license, but I don't know if I need a vending license. And every time I call the fairgrounds, because that's where the flea market is, I can't get a damn answer. Even online. Nothing. That's one of the reasons I haven't been out here for 2 months. One of the things locking me up. Screw it. Forward, get it done. I got 2 more to build too. Digress. Forward. I guess the only place I'm going to use liquid nail is to fill this gap. I had to cut my own. This is the long piece that'll go over, butt up to the short piece. Draw my line on it. Dig out. 3-inch mouse hole. Alright, 11.5. Half of that is 5 3/4. And the body is 8 3/4. It'd be 4. Stop it. Get the good stuff. That's some good shit. Well, I got my lines right. Yay. Boo. Little problem. Should pin down. That, and I'll go ahead and shave little off of that so I get a nice seat to it. Serve the purpose. Make my mark. Oh, that's on there. No wonder they make hairspray. Oi, come on. There it is. It's used for hanging pictures. It is reusable. Gotta shave that. And while I'm at it, shave the other. center on the bottom. Just use the compass. At 3 inches high. And the lock broke to hold the pencil in. So that makes it extra fun. The grain of the wood is pushing it out. There we go. Awesome. Yay. Hey, I'm pretty good at this, darn it. Problem solving. I'm good at coming up with solutions to very hard questions. Well, they're difficult for me because I don't know how to do this. Most of the crap I do, I have no clue how to do it. Make it up as I go. That I'm good at. Okay, now I'm not an architect, but I should have realized this from years ago. The size of the dormer depends on the size of the window that the dormer goes around. Dress that out and see if I can still get a triangle out of it. Wow, it's going to be tight too. What are these anyway? Only damn 3 inch. Yeah, those are 3 inch. What the hell is this? 5. You can shoot me now. Hey, guess what? Ha! There's my blueprint. Yeah, I haven't been out here for a while. It's 2 inches across, 3 inches high. I was going 3 inches across, and then to connect the two, wound up being 5. I haven't been out here for 2 months. How the hell am I supposed to remember? Forward. I finally found my transparent. So I do have center on the 2 inch mark. That's 3. That's 1. 2 inch wide. 2 inch wide. 2 3/4. Call it 3. Wow. Yeah, I gotta get a new one of these. And I'm not worried about erasing those lines because only you, me, and the squirrels will ever see it. So, 7 people. Okay, 8.5 is 4 1/4. Now, inch on either side of that. Yeah. And yeah. At 3 inches high. Come across. That's not smooth. Have to lock it in, hold it steady, make it firm, and bring it around. Ever bother to mention Patreon? $1 a month is all I need, is all I'm asking. That's $1.50. But no, go right ahead and give DSP $50 to watch him watch a video. What I'm thinking is I'm going to charge $100 of me watching DSP watching a video. And then you can charge $200 watching me watch DSP watching a video. Pyramid scheme. That fourth person watching somebody watching me watch DSP watching a video. See how that works? I'm a bargain by comparison. It's my new pyramid scheme. I call it an NFC. No fucking chargebacks. Keep with the DSP motif who started the whole damn thing. All praise to the piggy. This has been Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, subscribe, comment if you need to. Links for things, where you find the linky stuff. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.